Life without you been feeling kinda strange. Well, I see that you're doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well.
Welcome back to my channel. I am kashiajabre and this is not my normal voice. I am sick. I have a sore throat and I think I have a cold, so I might sound a little bit different, but today I'm just going to be showing you guys how I get my installs, my glueless installs. This install will also be no baby hairs, completely natural. This hair is completely gorgeous and it was provided by Beauty Forever, so thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. Yeah, that's basically what we're going to be doing in this video. So if you like this type of content, give it a big thumbs up and also comment down below and tell me what you guys want to see next, and also subscribe to my channel because my cat's baby lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe then you lit too. That's on what? That's on here. Let's just go ahead and get right into this install. It's your girl. I'm back. Sick Kaysha, congested Kaysha. I'm doing this voiceover for y'all because I love y'all. So the first thing I'm gonna be doing is putting this unit on my head, and it's already plucked, and the knots are kind of bleached but not really. Like, a lot of the knots got missed when I bleached this unit and it still turned out looking good, so whatever. But if you are a beginner and you don't know how to plug or don't know how to customize a wig, I will have that video pop up for you on the screen. And the product that I'm going to be using to lay down my hair is got to be. This is not a glue. This is basically like a hairspray, and this is what I use for my glueless units. Also, for your glueless units, you want to make sure that the back of your wig, that your wig is tight. That way it's also another force holding the lace to your head, if that makes sense. And that's kind of important when you're not using glue. You want something else, so go ahead and tighten the back of your wig as well when you're doing this. But as I'm spraying it, I'm like combing the product through the hair, because this hairspray can literally make the hair hard because it's a hairspray. So in order to not make the hair crunchy, I have to keep combing through the product through the hair to make sure. But I'm just going to keep going in and spraying that all around. And this product is super inexpensive. You can find this pretty much anywhere: Target, Walmart, any drugstore, anywhere. Now I'm going to take my elastic band that I got from Amazon. I will link that down below as well. And I'm just going to use this to dry down my lace. Like, this is what I'm going to be using to hold that down while it dries. So now I'm taking out the hair and seeing what it's looking like. It's looking good, but it just needs to be brushed out a little bit. So I grab my paddle brush and I start brushing it. And I really just did this to detangle the hair, but I ended up really liking how it looks after I brushed it out, and like that big poofy wavy like type vibe, you know. I feel like it kind of went with, you know, what I had going on. So I decided to keep the hair just like that. No product in this hair whatsoever. I never even had to wet this hair because as soon as I got done detangling it, like, I was in love. So that's what I'm doing here. And then after that, I'm going to take some Got To Be and just spray this all over the top. I do this because I hate flyaways and I hate for my hair to be standing up. So I just put a little bit up on that. And then I'm going to take my blow dryer and blow dry not only the elastic band, but the hairspray that I just laid on my hair as well. So that's just going to make sure that everything is set and right. And then in the middle of me blow drying, I go ahead and take off the elastic band so I can get it closer dry on my lace before I cut it. This is going to make sure that everything is super duper dry. And this dries way faster than glue, by the way. Like, I only had to hold the blow dryer for maybe 30 seconds and the spray was already completely dry. So yeah, this is what it's looking like. I'm steady combing it through to try to make sure that none of the hair is crunchy. And now I'm just going to take some scissors and go in and cut the lace. And I'm not cutting it any special fashion, just trying to make sure that I have all the lace, because there's not going to be any baby hairs to cover up if I leave any lace. So I'm trying to make sure that I get all of the lace in front of the hairline. Like, I'm trying to leave no lace at all. So that's what I'm doing here, just cutting it out. So as I'm cutting the lace, you guys can see that there's still a white cast there. I'm going to go ahead and fix that. So what I'm going to do is take my hair and put it back up into the clip. And I'm going to take my Got To Be again, and I'm going to spray it again. This is basically just going to get all those pieces of lace that did not lay the first time. And this is going to make your install look seamless. I promise you, like, no white cast. It's going to look natural. It's going to look laid. It's going to look everything. So that's what I'm doing here. Just going back in and just spraying all of those little spots. Making sure that I get everything. Everything is going to lay down. And then I'm going to take my elastic band again and take my blow dryer and just dry that completely. And you already know I take it off in between and dry it by itself. Then after that, y'all can see, like, everything is everything from there. Like, the lace, everything is looking good. You know what I'm saying? Everything is laid. Y'all see the material. Y'all see the product. Like, this is literally all I have to do when I want to do glueless units, just for like a day or two. I normally just do this when I got a wig and I just need a quick little hairstyle, but I don't plan on keeping it in for long, so I just do my glueless installs instead of gluing it all the way down and causing damage on my hair. So this is a great alternative, and if you do try this out, please do not forget to tag me or something, send me pictures, do something, girl, just do something. I want to see it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Everything looking good, so I did my job and I'm gone. So guys, this is how it ended up coming out. It's super cute. It looks super natural. All of the links on this hair will be listed in the description box, and I really hope you guys learned something from this video. If you did, please do not forget to thumbs it up, and also comment down below and tell me what you guys want to see next, and also subscribe to my channel because my cash baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you can be lit too, and that's on what? That's on period. So yeah, I will see y'all in the next one. Okay, peace.